So now let's see how we can work around with path and pixel shapes inside a Photopea. So in order to work around with paths and pixel shapes, you need to go around over here on the left hand side and then choose around a shape as you want right here. And then over here by default, you can see that shape is an option. But if you just want a path, then you can simply go around and choose path right here and then click and drag it out, and there you go. You can see that you have a path right here. You can go around and make it into a selection right here, turn it into a selection right here, or you can go around, turn it into a shape later on as well, just like this. So here I have a path, and you can see that I have unite right here. You can also go ahead and subtract it out right here, and then you can go around and unite again right here, as you can see right here, just like this. Turn it into a selection right here, and then you got an exact path right here. You can also go around and then choose different option right here for the path as well, just like this. So this is what you have for the path right here. So now you can go around, turn it into a selection right here, or you can turn it into a shape right here, as you can see right here. Apart from that, you also have the pixels right here, which directly allows you to go around and turn it into a pixel. So let's just go around onto the background layer, and then what happens is that for the foreground color that you choose right here, you can directly go around and choose it, and what happens is that you can simply go around and create a path out of it. That is pixel out of it right here. You can also change around the corner radius right here, and these are directly editable, meaning I can go around over here, take an eraser, let's say for example, and erase it out. So I'm going to go to the eraser tool, and you can see that these are individual pixels and not paths right here. So you can edit it as you're editing a picture. And that is how you can utilize path and pixel shapes inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.